So you have started building your email list from your lead magnet and you want to send continuous emails to your leads on automation. Now I am already signed into Systeme.io. I am on the dashboard. And what we want to do to create email automation, we want to first create a campaign. So we want to go ahead, you see to the top, emails, we want to click on campaigns. Then to the right, we want to go ahead and create. And we just want to give that campaign a name. It is a way for us to remember that campaign when we create other campaigns in the future. So we want to create a name that we remember. So I'm going to just put my freebie leads. Okay. Then you want to select an email address. Now in this instance, because you're going to send out continuous emails to your leads, you want to use a professional email address. And so that builds credibility and it prevents your emails from going to the spam folders. So we want to go ahead and I'm going to select my professional email that I have here, and then I want to just save. Good. Now I want to look for that campaign that I have created. Here it is, my freebie leads. I want to click on it. And then to the right, we want to click on create. Let's say that this is the first campaign that we are sending to our lead. So the first thing we want to do, we want to give it a subject. I have already got a subject, so I'm just going to paste it right here. And then I'm going to click on save. So now we want to enter our message right here. So we'll start with A or hi. We start with greetings. So we don't want to be too formal. And we want to personalize. I think it's always great to make your messages personal. So we want to personalize your message. So we'll come to the right. We'll select first underscore name. We want to get all of that in red. And we want to paste it right here. Again, I have just copied a very short message. You don't want to make your messages too long if you're just starting to send emails to your leads. So I'm going to go ahead and paste my message here. So this is basically where you type your message. Okay. I'll say, let's grow together. And then I'll put my name below. If you have a logo, you can click on image right here and you can insert your logo from your computer. So I'm not going to upload a logo. We want to save and test. It is always important to test to ensure that everything is working well, to ensure that the message looks the way you wanted it to look. So it's very important that we save and test. Once we have done that, we want to click save and publish so that the message is activated. So let's click on save. So let's say that this is your first message. You want your lead to get it immediately. Then let's say they had signed up for your freebie, and you have given them that freebie for a probably immediate download, and now you want to send continuous messages to that lead. Then this is the first message that you will send them. So we just want to click on activate. We don't want to delay the message. We want to send it immediately to them. So just let's click on activate. We want to click on exit. And you see here to the right, it's green. This is saying that our message is activated. If it's gray, then it will not work. Because we are creating a campaign and we want to be able to send messages to our leads on automation, we're going to create another message. So we'll go ahead again and recreate. So if you're building under this campaign, you're going to keep adding messages here. So we want to give this message as a subject. Again, I have a subject, so I'm just going to go ahead and paste it here. So want to build a thriving online business, here's how. And then I'm going to go ahead and save that. And we're going to do the same thing. We want to personalize the message. So we go ahead and we do the same thing. Hey, and then we copy on the right here, copy, and we want to paste it right there. If you don't want to always go to the right to copy, I think it's because I'm so accustomed to it. Another way to personalize, right here you see substitute, and you can click first name and automatically it will pop up there. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put our second message below here. Again, I have my message, so I'm just gonna copy and paste it right here. To the top here, this is basically where you're gonna make any changes. I can bold, I can underline, italize. If you have a link that you want to insert, this is where you enter the link. You simply highlight what you want to put the link in. Let's say I have a system.io link. Highlight that system.io here. I will highlight that. I will click on the link right there and I'll paste my link there. So if the person clicks, it takes them to that link. Okay, so same thing, always save and test. Once you're good, the message is the way you want it to be, then we'll save and publish. Now this time you don't want the message to go immediately, so let's look at what we have to do carefully. So it says this email will be sent after what? So we did create an email before, so this email will be sent after the welcome email. Let's start building your success together. So we want to click on that. Okay, so probably we want to send this email 2 days later. So I'm gonna change this to 2. So after, let's say the message went on Monday, 2 days later, they're going to receive this message. Also, we want to look at the others. It says time when email should be sent. If you want a specific time, let's say it's 9 a.m., then you can select that as well. So I'm going to select 9 a.m. and then days of the week when the email should be sent. So every time you get new leads, you want so every time you get new leads, you want this message to be sent specific days. So probably every Wednesday. So let's say they had signed up for your freebie on the Friday, they will not get this message until the next Wednesday. Okay, so if you don't want to set it like that, then you don't have to. But if you want to, then you'll activate that and you'll send the days, the different days when they can receive this message. Okay, if you don't want to select any of those, you can just deactivate that and you don't need to pay attention. So once we have set that, then we click activate. And so when you create other messages, you'll follow the same process. And then we want to exit. So as you create your email campaigns, you're going to see the messages below. So we only created 2. You see here, this one will be sent immediately. This one will be sent 2 days later. Okay, so the next step is how do we connect this campaign to our lead magnet? First thing you want to do is that you want to create an automation rule. So what you want to do is you want to go to Sales Funnel and locate your lead magnet. And I'm going to choose this one. And this is where you create an automation rule. So you click on automation, down, scroll down, and then you click on add rule. Then you want to choose funnel step from subscribe. So you want to click on that. Then you want to open it. Click on add action. Then click subscribe to campaign. So once you have subscribed to campaign, you're going to select the campaign that you have created. So this is the campaign here that we had created, my freebie lead. So you want to select that. Then most important thing, don't forget this step or it will not work. You want to save rule. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, you will definitely find value in this video. See you on the next side.